They promise you financial freedom. They show you snapshots of incredible soaring profits, Lamborghinis, and vacations that one could only dream of. But behind the curtain of those fat MT4 screenshots lies a different story. A story woven with deception and false promises. You see, the Forex world has been invaded by fake gurus, wolves in traders' clothing. They manipulate you, they deceive you, and they're making an absolute fortune doing it. But not actually from trading, from selling courses and the dream of becoming a trader. Today, we pull back the veil. We reveal the smoke and mirrors and the sleight of hand. In this video, I'm going to reveal the 5 common ways that these Forex gurus are scamming you by tampering their MT4 platform to fabricate their success. It's time for the truth, and I'm calling out all Forex scammers. Okay, so I'm making this video because unfortunately I've fallen victim to a lot of these scams early on in my trading career. So let's get into it. So number one, probably the easiest way, and again, these will stack on and get more sophisticated with how you can scam somebody. But the first way is the simple way where you just show demo account profits. This is really pretty simple. You show somebody on Instagram or on YouTube, you show your MT4 app. Look, I made $1,000 today. I made $2,000 today. Buy my course, buy my signals, join my Telegram group, etc., etc. This is really pretty a basic way, but this is one way that I didn't know the difference when I was first getting into trading, the difference between a demo account and a live account. And this is the way a lot of scammers online will get you to believe that they're better traders than they are, is by just trading on a demo account that has, say, $100,000 in it. So that's method number one. Method number two gets slightly a little bit more sophisticated. So basically what they'll do is they'll open up 2 accounts, okay? And let's say that they have $20,000 total. They can open up 2 $10,000 accounts, right? And then what they can do is they can go put on a huge 10 lot trade on both of these accounts, except for on one of them, they're going to take a buy trade, and on one of them, they're going to take a sell trade. And ultimately, one of them is going to make a ton of profit, and one of them is going to lose a bunch of money. But when you net it out, it doesn't really matter, right? You know, let's say one $5,000 and one lost $5,000. You show, oh, I'm the greatest trader. I made $5,000 today. Obviously, they just show the one that won, but in net, one lost 5,000, won 5,000. Sure, they pay a little bit of commission, which is no big deal because they're scamming people on Instagram. They're saying, look at all the profits that I made today. And this is just one way you could do it. You could even be less sophisticated as a scammer, which I've seen guys do, which is just open 2 demo accounts, place a fat buy and a fat sell on either of the accounts, and just show the one that happens to win. Now, the third method, I call this the turnaround switch server method. And this is a disgusting tactic that I actually saw when I first got introduced to Forex trading. I went to an iMarkets Live MLM meeting, and I saw guys doing this. I didn't realize it at the time because I was new to Forex trading, but then I found out what they're actually doing. So they would go in and they would like show their account, right? And they'd show, oh, you know, I'm in profit right now. They're at a meeting. They say, hey, I'm in profit this much, Okay, I'm in $126 in profit, right? And they would show that. And then what they do is they'd show it. And then what they do is they flip their phone around, and then they would switch really quickly to a real account, and they'd show, see, this is on a real server. This is real on Mugen Markets, right? And so this flip around method or this switch method, they'd go in, boom, show the demo account profits, boom, here's my profits. And look, just to verify that it's on a real live account, here it is. Look, see, it's a live account, boom. And they'd show this right here. So this was a really sneaky tactic that I saw being used early on. People can use that in person, or they can also use that online really, really simply as well. The next method, so I call this trading view bar replay trick. You see this a lot on Instagram with Forex scammers that are, and again, these scammers are pretty easy to tell. A lot of the times there's these guys that are just flaunting ridiculous profits that are totally unrealistic. There's guys that are, you know, I hate that the Lamborghini has gotten such a bad rap, but it's just, you see it. You see the gold chains, you see the Lamborghinis, you see the et cetera, right? But the bar replay trick basically works like this, right? There's this feature in TradingView You can basically replay bars, but guys will call this out on their Instagram story. They'll be like, guys, I see this trade setup coming up. If it gets up to this level right up here, then what we're going to do is we're going to take a sell trade. Okay. We're just going to risk this tiny bit. And then we're going to go for a 1 to 5.7 risk to reward ratio, because that's how I do it. And I'm the shit. Right. And then what happens is they go in and they take the screenshot. So they'll take the screenshot right here, like, okay, this is the trade setup screenshot posted on their IG, and then they'll bar replay and, they'll get into the trade and they'll be like, okay, guys, we just entered the trade, They'll take a screenshot, and then next thing you know, third screenshot on their story, magically this trade comes down and hits their take profit eventually, right? Hits their take profit, and they're like, damn, I told you guys this is on the regular. This is what I do. Join my Telegram group, join my Discord server, buy my course, These trades happen on the regular, and they start showing this on their Instagram on the regular, and people buy into that crap and think that they're successful traders. Look at this crazy risk to reward, this tiny stop loss. This is the TradingView bar replay scam method. Okay. So this is the fourth method. The fifth method, this gets a little bit more sick. But I've seen this from, I know people that have done this, but basically MT4, to give you an idea, is an open source platform, meaning that it's easily manipulated. And just to give you an idea, I've heard real conversations with people that I know in this industry where essentially somebody will go up and they'll open an MT4 broker, and it used to not be that expensive. I think it was maybe 25 grand to open a brokerage. And so what these influencers would do is they just pay 25 grand and they'd open up their own broker. So be very wary if somebody's trading on their own broker. This is definitely a red flag to me. These are unregulated MT4 brokers that essentially you can manipulate the profits. And there's videos online that I can show you, but I'll just explain to you how it works. So essentially, when you own the broker, you can just set up a server that shows that it's a live server, but you don't connect to the dealer, meaning that you're not trading anything. It's not being sent to the market, none of that. And it'll show it's a real, live server. It'll show it's a real server on the MT4 app, and you can show people and it's real and all that sort of stuff. But the reality is it's just a demo account. Okay. So you can trade the demo account, make fat profits, show that you have, I got $5 million, I got $10 million in this account, and, I'm making all this profits, yada, yada, yada. Now, the sick thing about this also is that you can go back in MT4 and you can change trading history. You can change your profits. You can change your results. And I made another video kind of explaining how this all works. Now, one other thing that's sick, I guess this is just a bonus scamming method for those of you guys that want to become the next Forex guru, keep this one in your back pocket. But one thing that brokers will do is they'll open up their broker, and let's say this is called, Red Robin broker, Red Robin FX, okay, is the name of the broker. They'll open it up. This is an offshore broker. It's unregulated. They'll come to an influencer like, I don't know, somebody who has a bunch of Instagram followers, or somebody has a bunch of YouTube followers, and they'll basically make a deal with them. Well, they'll say, hey, we'll set you up with this account. All we need to do is have you make a couple videos or promote it on your stories a few times, showing you made a bunch of profits, and we'll give you an affiliate commission of X% for everybody that deposits into the brokerage. And you may be mind blown by this, but this is a reality. I've heard these conversations between unregulated brokers approaching different influencers and actually saying this stuff, which is incredibly, incredibly unethical. And as you probably know at this point, the whole Forex industry is rotten with incredibly unethical, immoral people that are just pulling one over on people and scamming people right in front of their own eyes. So all in all, I was just making this video because I've been scammed myself. I don't want to see other people get scammed. There's enough shady stuff happening in this industry. And these are some of the most common ways that people are scamming by showing their profits to sell their courses and communities and signals and whatnot. So ultimately, just be very, very wary. I wouldn't trust anything that you see on an MT4 app as real profits. I wouldn't consider anything that you see on TradingView as real trading success either. So just be very careful next time you see guys that are flaunting these huge profits and these Lambos and these fancy vacations. With that being said, I hope you like this video, and like and subscribe for more.